Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Vaibhavi Patil, Assistant Professor from BMS Department. Today, I'm going to explain the very interesting topic from mathematics, that is permutation and combination. So permutation and combination are ways to select objects from a set to form a subset and are important concept in mathematics. The main difference between the two is that the order matters in permutation but not in combination. In mathematics, combination and permutation are two different ways of grouping elements of a set into subset. In combination, the elements of the subset can be listed in any order, but in permutation, the elements of the subset are listed in specific order. So first I'm going to explain what is permutation. A permutation is the arrangement of an object in definite order. The members or elements of a set are arranged here in a sequence or in a linear order. It is represented by NPR, and its formula is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. For example, if I want to arrange the two objects from total 10 objects, then it is calculated by the permutation formula. If we put n equal to 10 and here to r equal to 2, and it gives the total arrangements 90. So there are two types of permutation. First is permutation with repetition and second is permutation without repetition. So first, permutation with repetition. We know that in permutation the order of the elements is important. Permutation with repetition means we can select one item twice. The formula of the computing the permutation with the repetition is given by P of nr equal to n raised to k. Here n is the total number of elements in a set, and k is equal to number of elements we want to select from the set. Second is permutation without repetition. In this case, we have to reduce the number of available choice each times. Permutation without repetition means we can't select the one item twice. The formula for computing the permutation with repetition is given below. That is NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. That is the main formula of the permutation. Here n equal to n is the total number of items in a set, and r equal to number of elements that is select from the set. For example, here how many numbers of 5 digits can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, such that the no digit is repeated. For example, here the total number of digit is 6, and the number of digits we have to arrange is r, that is r equal to 5. So here we use the formula of a permutation, put n equal to 6 and r equal to 5, and it gives the total arrangement 6. So now I'm going to explain the application of permutation concepts in business and management. The permutation are used in business and management to help with the decision making and can be applied in a variety of ways, including business decision making. Permutation helps companies choose the profitable options by minimizing the number of variables. Second is resource allocation. The permutation can be used to optimizing resource allocation problems such as scheduling tasks, assigning jobs, and the optimizing supply chains. Third one is traveling salesman problem. The permutation can be used to find the most efficient route for a salesman to visit the multiple location. Fourth is investment decision. Permutation can be used to determining the best way to allocate the investment. For example, a private equity partner might use the permutation to decide how to invest $5 million in two projects. Now I'm going to explain the next topic is combination. So what is combination? The combination is defined as the arrangement of an object where the order in which the objects are selection does not matter. The combination means the selection of the things where the order of the things has no importance. This is the formula of the combination, that is nck equal to n factorial divided by k factorial into n minus k factorial, where n is always greater than k. Okay, the nck is equal to 0, where when n is less than k, the combination is always equal to 0. Here n means the number of distinct object to choose from, c is the combination, k is the space to fill, where k can be replaced by r also. Okay, so this is the example of the combination. Here the 10 GCCs students have applied for scholarship. 6 students will be chosen to receive this their scholarship. How many different ways can be 6 be chosen? So because the order that where the selection does not matter, here we are equal to number of students, total number of students is 10, and are equal to number of students that is selected for scholarship, that is 6. So here we put n equal to 10 and r equal to 6 in the combination formula, and it gives the total number of selection, that is 6. So here we are equal to number of students, total number of students is 10, and are equal to number of students that is selected for scholarship, that is 6. So here we put n equal to 10 and r equal to 6 in the combination formula, and it gives the total number of selection, that is Total number of ways is 210. Okay. Next is application of a combination concept in business and management. First is portfolio management. Combination can be used to calculate the number of possible portfolios that can be created from a set of assets. For example, if a fund manager has a 20 stocks to choose from a portfolio of 5, combination can help to determine how many different portfolio are possible. This can help with the planning and risk management. Second is business decision making. The combination are used to select object, while permutations are used to arrange those objects. These help managers make decision by minimizing variables and selecting the most profitable option. Combinations are fundamental concepts in combinatorial mathematics, and are used in many other fields, including computer science, probability theory, and operation research. Thank you.